All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning to everyone, or good evening, I would say. Medyo mababa, bearish ang ating attendance today. Totoo ba ito nakikita ko? We only have 40 viewers. Tama ba yan? So, interesting. Sige. Anyways, we'll start, no? We'll start and let's just wait for the others to join. Let's just wait for the others to join and see if, we're gonna be able to have more people joining. Yes, wala nang brownout. Okay na, okay na. Thank you sa Meralco. Ay, nako. Merong rotational brownout. Both of my bahay in Mandaluyong and in Pasig. Nag-text sa akin si Meralco, parehas walang power. Alright. Anyways, so magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, no? So marami tayong nakikita ngayon sa ating screen, no? I have a couple of announcements before we start, and just to make it up to you guys, I'm going to extend ng 10 more minutes for today just to make sure that we plug in our updates for today. But before we start, I'd just like to make sure that I acknowledge today that we actually have a total of, let me just pull up the report. Okay, we are down to 5 more subscribers before we hit 13,000 subscribers. So if you're not yet subscribed, please do so we could already hit the 13,000 subscriber count within this live, no? Grabe, ang bilis natin guys. Wala pa tayong 2 months and we already have almost 13,000 subscribers. That is really speaking volumes of, what can we do as a community? What can we do as a community? Yeah, what can we do as a community if we support each other, no, and we remain focused with our mission and we keep our hearts in the right place, right? So thank you sa inyong tulong at lahat ng nakikita kong comment sa ating YouTube video. Sobrang gaganda guys, nako. Pagbabasahin ko siya, nawawala yung pagod ko gumawa ng mag-produce ng mga video, no, and it's not easy to create a video, just as you guys know, no. Kasi edit mo yon, you will put music, tapos you'll need to make sure ma-upload mo siya sa YouTube. So it's a difficult task, lalo na nung mga unang-unang linggo natin na we keep on uploading every day. Ngayon kasi, napapansin ko, kaya I'm not uploading every day, is nilalaktawan niyo yung mga old videos ni Coach. Saka yung mga newbie, ang ginagawa nila, pinapanood agad nila yung feast method. So that's not the way to go, ha. So make sure you do first the Miranda University playlist, no, para hindi kayo malunod or ma-overwhelm. Tama si moderator John, I saw his message kanina, sabi niya sa Facebook groups. Guys, if you're a newbie, dahan-dahan lang, wag niyong pwersahin yung sarili ninyo. And that's very true. No, you don't force yourself to learn. You kumbaga parang baby yan. You don't feed a baby with a slab of meat. 'Di ba? You don't feed a baby with a slab of meat. You feed a baby with the baby food. So if you're a newbie trader, I don't want you, I forbid you to go to my complex and to my advanced trading courses, because kahit gaano kagaling at gaano kaganda yung video ko, but if you don't have the fundamentals and the rudimentary of trading, you would lose, no? And actually hati ngayon yung mga tao, ang dami-dami ngayong traders na nagme-message sa akin, Coach, thank you so much. Coach, thank you so much. Coach, maraming salamat. And nag-iiba na kayo, hindi na kayo pumapasakali, ha. Before kasi may pasakali, tatanong lang eh. Ngayon, you guys are already approaching me and asking me the right questions, and this time ang approach niya sa akin, Coach, kumita ako. Coach, this is my first win, no? So I'm really happy, natutuwa kayo sa inyong wins, no? And as I always say sa inyo, kung di ko makinare-replyan ngayon, I will reply sa message nyo. I'll reply to you right now. Make sure you journal your trades, no? Alright, so we have few announcements for you today. As I've said, nirelease na natin ang ating latest video. Ito yung video ko kahapon, Fibonacci 2.0. Lalabas na natin yan. And then we also have released this video, no? So we have our feast technique, guys. Ang dami nang kumita sa technique na to. Okay, pati yung mga moderators talagang everyone is actually using this technique. Sobrang times 2 yung profit if you know how to use Fibonacci and Halmachi together. That's just the feast method. So, guys, use it. It's up to you to learn it. Pero pag bago, wag munang manood ng feast method. Doon ka muna sa RSI MACD combination. Doon ka muna sa intermediate, no? Doon ka muna sa mauunawaan mo yung basics of charting, etc., etc., no? So, panoorin niyo yan. And then, again, ang title ng live natin today is, can you resign already? Can you go a full-time trader? My answer is not yet. Wag muna. Make sure that you have a very high winning rate. Okay, you have a high winning rate. I'm not saying you become Coach Miranda Minor. No, what I'm saying is you need to develop yourself from a edge perspective, no, from a winning rate standpoint, no, and make sure that you have aside from winning style and winning rate, yung risk appetite mo and your discipline is really mature, advanced ka na, no, kasi kahit mga experienced traders kapag walang system, lalo na kung walang system, hit or miss, mas kawawa sila, no? So wag muna, mag-ipon muna ng right capital. Capital is king, cash is king, no? At this time of the pandemic, cash is king still. So if you have extra spare cash, then that's what you use to start your journey with cryptocurrency. Okay? Nirelease na natin yan. Speaking of Miranda University, nirelease ko na to kanina sa Facebook. Ang dami nyong nag-i-inquire. I'm just so overwhelmed, guys. Thank you, thank you. Ang dami-dami nyo nag-i-inquire sa aking, hindi ko kayo nare-replyan because I'm occupied creating the material, no? So, yan. So, si Arl, si Juan, si Etchan, and then si Maria, Mark Angel, Hergy, Regine, ang dami nyo eh. Rafael, ang dami. Ang daming interested. Nay, Nasor, Van, ang dami. Richard. So, I'll reply to you. Hindi ko pa na-read yung messages nyo, but I'm just reading the first sentence kaya nalalaman ko you're interested. So, I will release more information about the Miranda University Elite. I'm calling it Elite Edition. Kasi the Miranda University is out there free. Free yan, guys. It's up to you to learn. Tinuturo ko din, I have a Saturday class. Andiyan kayo. You're my student, no? I also give time to that. But this time, I'm going to do a Miranda Minor Elite University. Okay? Shout out daw kay Philip Roland Flores. So yan. Thank you for joining. Alright. So, join kayo sa aking, aking Miranda University Elite Edition Pioneer class. I'm still finalizing the love fee na tinatawag natin because gagawin natin itong 1 hour and a half per day, 5 days straight. We will do it 5 days straight, sunod-sunod para matutunan nyo talaga. You need to invest time. It's gonna be 7 o'clock p.m. to 8:30 p.m. after regular work, right? Ako yung magiging time ninyo to do take an early dinner tapos aral tayo ng gabi. No, work sa umaga, aral sa gabi. Right? And I'm going to open 2 classes. One is for beginner and one is for intermediate. If you have already a system but you are struggling with your winning rate, doon ka sa intermediate. I'm going to teach, bibigyan ko kayo ng high-level update. No? I'm going to teach the 4 disciplines of trading execution sa intermediate. Hindi ko ginagawa ng video yan because that's a very expensive course. But I'm going to give it to you mula sa puso. Tayin nyo na lang yung price. Hindi naman mahal yan. I'm sure magugulat kayo sa price dahil hindi naman siya mahal. And then I'm going to teach the building the winning habit principles doon sa ating beginner class. No? So bukod sa pagtalakay natin sa mga... Kasi andyan na lahat no? I'm giving everything to you, like how to trade, execution, lahat-lahat na, no? But kailangan mo ng mataas na trading quotient. Okay, tandaan mo, sulat mo yan, ha? Kailangan mo ng mataas na trading quotient. Tandaan mo yung word na yan. For you to be a winner, okay, in this industry. Okay? If you don't have the high kumbaga sabi nila, you have an emotional quotient, intellectual quotient. In this case, I will need to train you on the high trading quotient. Okay? And that's gonna be very, very important for you to learn and for you to be successful. Okay? Sa mga another reminder sa isang moderator natin, reminder daw sa mga gustong sumali sa ating group, you have to answer the questions kasi hindi ma-approve ni admin yung application nyo to join our FB group kapag ninyo sinasagot yung mga questions, no? So medyo yun maigpit ang ating mga moderators, di ba? Good job, ah. Yeah, so going back, no, so, I'm going to offer yung 4 disciplines of trading execution. Maganda yan, magandang system yan. Ilalagay mo yan doon sa ating feast method. I will not give you everything sa talk na to kasi I want you to discover it yourself, no? And then sa beginner, pag wala ka pa talagang alam, no, you're a newbie, we will do the building your winning habit. Creating a winning habit in trading. We will start with that. No? So I'm excited. The class will start tentatively on June 8th. That's Tuesday. I will send more the details sa inyo how to enroll and how to pay the deposit or the registration fee. Of course, ano ba tayo? We will just use our Binance wallet, diba? We will just use our Binance wallet to register. So more to come on that. Antayin nyo tomorrow. And then another, again, thank you sa ating very concerned na member. And again, sobrang salamat sa iyo, Richard, for all of your suggestions. Richard Gomez, no? Talagang you reminded me of great things, no? So, before actually, sige, let me discuss the merch na, no? So, it looks like this. So, the merch would look like this. All right. So, meron tayong cup. So, nagkakape si Coach. Gusto mo na magkape, gamitin mo na lang yung mug na yan. Hindi ko pa alam ang price point niyan, but I'm going to outsource that para hindi na ako mahirapan, no? Hindi na ako mahirapan mag-produce and ang dami ko na kasing minamanage. So I'll just outsource that. But that's the design. Trust the feast system sa kabila. Sa kabila niyan yung just hodl. No, just #hodl. Inspired ng Coach Miranda Minor yan. So para ma-remind ka ng ating feast system, yan, baliktaran yung ganyan ang itsura niya, no? Alright. So I will finalize that. And then may isa pa, ito naman yung isa, Miranda Mining, yung anong yan, yung nakikita mong medyo malabong heart, ayan yung intersection ni Alma tsaka ni Emma. Yan. Para ma-remind ka kung kailan ka papasok lagi habang nagkakape ka. So, how hinihigop mo yung profit mo, tama. Yan. So, I'm going to identify the price. But it looks like this. And then yung other merch, natin. What's this? We will finalize the price. No? But of course, presyong Miranda Minor, mura lang naman yan. Okay? So, yun na. So, guys, huwag na free coffee. Ikaw talaga galamax. Ba? Ikaw na lang magligay ng coffee. No? Pero maganda yan. Maganda yan. It's a very good pinag-isipan natin para at least ma-remind ka na kailangan mo mag-right entry sa Emma and Alma itong heart na to. That's the Halmachi entry. Tapos, ito namang isang to, trust the feast system, just hodl. We're going to create mga shirts. Tapos, yung funds na maiipon natin, if we grow as a big community, maganda tong suggestion ni Richard. If we grow as a big community, I'd like to use the funds to help a community, no? I'd like to use the funds to help a community na less privileged, no? Para at least we as a Miranda Minor community, we're able to help the less privileged people, right? I'd like to give back to the community because we're really blessed. I'm really blessed with so many blessings. Blessing kayo sa akin, no? May blessing kayo sa akin. And you're all my blessings, and I'm also blessed financially and everything, no? So I'd like to give back to the community and I'd like you guys to join. No? So when we grow as a community, we will use some of the funds. We'll do a social enterprise. No, some of the proceeds of the cups will go to our community involvement. All right. All right. So yon. So we will have that. We will have more of that, and we will obviously give back to the community our earnings and some of our profits. Okay. Ang dami nating announcements. Grabe. So thank you guys. And how can I forget? How can I forget this announcement? Come on. Come on. Come on. How can I forget this? No. So of course, this coming Saturday, uh, ang ating Saturday Night Live, no? Saturday Night Live with none other than none other than Galamax and Mr. X, no? Si Mr. X, siya si Hollow Blackman, no? Si Hollow Blackman siya. And sabi niya sa akin, Coach, i-record ko na lang po. Sabi sa kanya kasi, baka hindi ka mahagilap ng Saturday. We will just record, no? Wag kayong mag-alala, tatanungin ko siya about the construction. Kasi yun yung pinaka-viral post natin sa FB groups ngayon, no? And I'm really proud of him. Meron pang isa sa inyo, kung nakikinig ka ngayon, can you resend to me? Kasi guys, nag-send siya sa akin, nakabili siya ng 2-door ref, ha? Siya naman si Mr. Refman, 'di ba? Si Mr. Refman nakabili ng 2-door ref dahil nanalo siya sa futures na malaki yata yung capital niya. So, I mean, it's just very amazing na may mga ganyang tao na nakaka-purchase ng ganyang sobrang aggressive ang risk appetite, no? So, all right, so I'm looking forward to this interview. We will all see. Tapos siguro gagawa tayo ng paraan para magkaroon ng hindi ko alam kung papayag si Galamax, no, but siguro mag-open camera siya dapat, 'di ba? Para makita natin. anyways. All right. So guys, thank you. Those are just all my announcements, kaya mag-extend tayo ng 10 more minutes today, no? Ang dami nating announcements kasi wala rin tayo kanina. Sorry guys, no? So let me just move to my sa moderators. I'm not looking at the chat. If you guys need anything, paping na lang ako sa sa Messenger, ha. All right. So anyways, we'll go to our session for today, no? Let me just make sure I charge my phone here. Sana okay kayo, no? I'm super okay. Na-excite ako dun sa ating Miranda University Elite Edition. Sobrang na-excite ako because I like the curriculum and madami kayong matututunan, and we have group activities din, no? Isa pa pala doon is we will have group activities. Tapos meron tayong trading buddies kasi kailangan nyo yun sa pagiging trader, no? Hindi ko pa natuturo sa inyo yan, but bilang trader, you need to have a trading buddy or a trading community. Alright, anyways, so sa mga nakakita ng aking post kahapon, sino kayo nakakita ng post ni Coach Miranda Minor kahapon? Nakita nyo ba guys yung post ko kahapon? Nakita nyo ba tong post na to? Let me open it, ha. So let me close, and dami nagme-message sa akin, mga nagpo-profits. Very good. Good job. Congratulations. Okay. Yan, nakita nyo ba to guys, itong post na to? Itong dalawang number, 37,338 and 37,684. Type 1 kung nakita nyo to, please. Let me know if you nakita nyo itong post na to. If not, it's okay. So let me know if you saw this, no? If you saw it or not, that's fine. These are two important numbers. Ito yung tinuro ko kahapon. Sabi ko sa inyo, wag kayong papasok, no? Wag kayong papasok hanggat di na be-break yung resistance. Sabi ko yan sa post ko. Nasaan na ba yung post na yon? I think I posted it sa sa FB group natin. Sabi ko, wag pumasok, mag-antay, no? Wag pasok ng pasok. Antayin nyo yung right entry because baka masunog lang kayo, no? And that's a very important reminder, and I think a lot of you have listened naman, no? Tapos when I said BTC resistance broken, sabi ko sa live ko kahapon, nag-aantay tayo ng dalawang resistance na kailangan niyang basagin, no? So if you listen to me, probably sana nag-profit ka din, no? So, I have created a video. Lalabas ko to bukas or siguro the next day. Hayaan ko munang namnamin ninyo tong video na to. Itong pwede na mag-resign. aralin nyo muna mabuti yan. Kasi follow-up ng face technique natin yan, no? And then, aralin muna ninyo yan. Tapos, ilalabas natin yung latest nating video. Gumawa kasi tayo ng video wherein we were able we were actually able to chart kanina and to trade kanina. Ayan. So, we were able to trade kaninang alas 8 ng umaga hanggang nabot ako ng alas 12 tapos kumain ako ng lunch. Tapos, nag-trade din tayo niyan. So, mga ilang oras ba yan? No? Alas 8 hanggang alas 4 ba yan? 3 hours, no? Yan. So, we earned around $25 plus. I did the trading and the charting sa mobile phone. Okay, this is the ones yesterday. Today, no? I did the ones today. So, panoorin ninyo yung video na lalabas naka-mobile phone trading. And to be honest with you, of course, sanay ako sa computer, no? But I really tried my best to navigate the charting, no? I did not chart sa Binance. I charted sa Investa mobile application. Kasi mas sanay ako sa Investa. Tapos nag-trade ako sa Binance, of course. Hindi naman trading app si Investa. So, nag-trade tayo doon. And, yan. So, panoorin nyo na lang, no? It looks like sunod-sunod. Sobrang ganda ng face method. Like 6 days na yata ako 100% winning rate, no? So, actually, to be honest with you, kahit ako din na I'm pleasantly surprised on the result of our trading system, no? All our profits. And ang puhunan natin dyan is only pumuposisyon ako ng mga $100, as yung isang $100 pangalawang trade ko. Kasi minsan gusto ko dalawa yung trades na sabay, no? Anyway, so sana nakuha nyo yan because nakapasok tayo sa BTC. We earned mga $15 sa BTC. Nung sinabi ko, nakapasok tayo dyan sa BTC area na yan. And then, if you look at my trade history for that day, ayan yan, no? So, we were able to buy the 37,340 level. Sinabi ko yan, di ba? So, when we look into my post, sabi ko sa post ko, 37,338 something yata. 338. Ayan, 338. So, nag-abang tayo ng order sa 37,340. Okay? So, yun. So, we're able to buy on that. And then, we are able to sell sa 37,740. Na sell natin sa peak yan. No? So, just go to my video paano natin nakuha yan. But of course, pag sinabi kong ganon, di ko alam kung nababasa ninyo, magandang pasukan yung mga ganong resistance. No? And obviously, we use the feast method dyan. Okay? Speaking of that, no, so ito yung ating charting. Okay? Ito lang yung charting natin. Alright. So, I'm sure familiar kayo sa Fibonacci na, no? Kung di pa, punta kayo doon sa ating Fibonacci video. Ito yung title, Fibonacci 2.0. Para alam niyo yung right charting, no? But if you don't know, because you don't know the basics yet, then don't force yourself. Okay? Alright, so let's do this, no? So, as I've said, there are two major resistance na kailangan basagin ng Fibonacci na to. Unang-una was the 37,388.55. Because this resistance is also the resistance of the prior potential breakouts. No? Yan, nakikita niyo yung dalawang yan. So, lakihan natin yan. Okay? Yung dalawang yan, no? Those are the previous resistances. No? And then, this one potentially broke out. Tapos, nung na-breakout niya dito, nagtuloy-tuloy siya pataas. Right? But it actually, nauntog na naman siya sa 0.618. No? Kung humalik lang konti, tapos nauntog, bumaba. Tinulak niya pababa, no? Ganyan kaganda si 0.618 eh. Pag talagang nabasag mo siya, talagang tutuloy-tuloy siya pataas. No, ganun siya kaganda. That's really how golden ratio works, no? So, um, yun. So, 37, sabi ko nga nakabenta tayo sa 37,740 ng ating, 37,740. Sa pinakatuktok tayo nagbenta, guys. Right? Nakapasok tayo dito sa breakout na to, sa 37,340. Sa pinakatuktok ako nagbenta and tingnan nyo sa video ko paano ko nabenta yan sa pinakatuktok. Okay? Paano ko nabenta yung paano ko nakuha yung 37,740 na yan. No, and how was I able to get that 37,740 number, no? Kasi pababa na siya, oh, right? So nabenta na natin 'yan and just look there, how was I able to get that opportunity to sell bago pa siya bumaba. Sayang yung profit no? And then, if you've noticed, doon na naman. So nagkaroon na naman siya, nauntog na naman siya dito, no? Very, very prominent itong resistance line na to, no? The 37,338. Lagi siya nauuntog dyan. And this one, nauuntog na naman, no? Tingnan nyo, guys, no? It's always like that. Ganyan ang ugali ni BTC. Right? Ilang measures na nauuntog, di ba? So, it's forming a head and shoulders already, actually, right? Dito, ito yung point, yung 0.5 ang kanyang neck. Parang ganun ang itsura niya yun. Tingnan nyo guys, tingnan mo, look at this, no? Sinubukan niyang basagin, hindi siya nanalo. Right? So this is a major resistance point of BTC. And the 37,684 is another major resistance. Pag ito nabasag niya, this will further go up na. No? So nabasag niyang konti, nabasag niya sandali si 37,338. Ako, nakapasok tayo doon, benta sa taas. Before ka bumaba, ganun lang ang laruan dyan. And of course, you use your Halmachi, no? Ganun lang ang galawan dyan. Okay? So yun. So, if you're gonna be asking me if you're going to play other coins, no? If you're going to play other coins, huwag kayong papasok sa ibang coins kapag si BTC pababa. Okay? Tatandaan nyo yun, tinuro ko na yun sa video ko kahapon, sa fees, tsaka yung video na ilalabas natin. Huwag kayong maglalaro ng other coins muna hanggat si BTC hindi siya nag-register ng higher high candles. It needs to register a higher high candles if in case. Kasi kapag hindi siya nag-register ng higher high candles, it would potentially just go down. Alright, nag-range lang yan. Okay? So let's all look into the positive side at sana pumalo ng 37. At least bumalik sa 37,800, if not mag 3,800 pataas. Pag nabasag yan, mahina ang 40k dyan. No? So, ayun na lang naman ang inaantay natin. Kasi nagko-consolidate na siya sa, it's consolidating at the 33k range to 37k range. So, it should break out the consolidation at 37 and 36 range. Okay? Alright, makes sense guys. I hope it's making sense to all of you. Alright, and then let's go to our news for today. Nauna actually yung charting natin, no? At ang ating fear and greed index, it looks like people are still fearful. People are still fearful. Extreme fear, no? Extreme fear. By the way, ang ating time frame sa chart kanina is 5 minutes, but I charted all of this sa 30 minutes, ha? I charted all of this at 30 minutes. Okay? All of that sa 30 minutes. So I'm just looking at the 5 minutes range right now. But all of that on the bigger time frame. You just need to chart sa bigger time frame and then execute sa lower time frame para lang makita ninyo yung mga finer details niyan. Okay? Alright, so let's go now to our fear and greed index. Medyo fearful pa ang market. Very, very fearful. Alright? And then, let's look at the other news. Si Elon Musk, ang kanyang mga posts is all about the potential. Natawa ko dito guys, nakita ko ng Dimos. Sino yung mga Dimos generation dito? Sige nga, ako kasi bioman na yata ako eh. Sige nga, type 1 kung Dimos generation ka o baka, ano pa yung mga mas nauna pa dong mga generation sa Dimos? Sabi niya dito, Ocean Spaceport, Dimos is under construction for launch next year. Wow! Ayan, no? Yung mga... Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Kaya ako ang mga auto ko Mazda because kay Bayaman Mazda boy na ako eh. I fell in love with the robot. Kaya hanggang tumanda na ako, I've always loved Mazda. So, anyways, yan. So, ayun ang mga major posts ni Elon. Elon, right? Very, very interesting. Nothing about coins at this point. Si Kanyan Dogecoin is nag-range ngayon, no? It's actually ranging today. Alright, so si Bioman at Magmaman na daw si Boy Abanger. Siguro yung iba dito, mga Flame of Recca na yun, yung mga 90s na yata yung mga iba dito. O kaya mga Ghost Fighter, no? So, anyways, yung mga sinauna dyan, bigyan nyo nga ako ng mga sinaunang cartoons. Sige nga. Bukod kay Godzilla tsaka kay King Ghidorah. Yan, mga early 70s, mga late 70s na tayo eh. So, yung mga movies natin. Yan. Alright. Okay, punta tayo sa cryptocurrency details. Let's read all the currencies today. So, Bitcoin is down at 36,883. Kanina pumalo ng 37,800 as what I've said. It's actually trying to test the resistance in trying to form a higher high candle, but it did not win against the bears. So, net past 7 days is still negative 2.7%, but the past 24 hours is already positive 1.04%. Ethereum positive 3.91%. Still flat, almost 0% on the past 7 days. So meaning nagko-consolidate na tong batang tong sa Ethereum. Cardano is very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. Actually, 5.82 for the past 24 hours and the past 7 days is 12.12%. Pareha sila ng laro ni XRP. XRP bumubulusok to kanina, umaabot ng 1.07, 1.05. Binance Coin, $355, still at a very good non-volatile range at 4.6%. And 7 days is at 7.76%. XRP at 4.25, and then 7 days is 8.78. Dogecoin is very flat, if you will. 4.74% for the past 24 hours, and then less than still, at least hindi siya ganun ka-volatile, no? Less than 7% negative for the past 7 days. Polkadot, I have some news on some of the coins to watch out this coming June, no? Yan ang ating gagawing video this week, no? Mag-focus muna ako sa other fundamentals. After nating ituro ang napakarami nating execution and technical analysis, we'll now focus on our usual menu. We will be offering what are the coins to invest starting June onward. So, antayan nyo yan. Polkadot is actually at 5.03%. And 6.17% for the past 24 hours. Let's go to, Litecoin is still very, very good. At least hindi siya nagvo-volatile play. Polygon Matic is, again, another aggressive performer at 4.64% and 2.76% for the past 24 hours. Solana is still also bullish for the past 7 days. And then for the past 24 hours, it's actually hovering from a negative 1% to positive 4%. Okay, and then let's go with VET or VeChain, positive 10.08%, and then for the past 24 hours, and then positive 6.71% for the past 24 hours. Tether is very, very bullish, 21.19%, and then for 7 days, and then 19.69% for the past 24 hours. Tron or TRX, very, very flat. I would not say it's even a negative. I think this would change, no? So both are less than 2% volatility for the past 7 days and 24 hours. AAV is also gaining its momentum. Past 7 days is at 5%, and then last 24 hours is less than 10%. Shiba Inu, unfortunate news, down negative 11% for the past 7 days, but a bit bullish for today at positive 10.15%. So we'll see if this Shiba Inu can continue to, be bullish or just register a potential bull trap, no? But let's see on that. All right. Okay. Now let's go with our news. Top 5 cryptocurrency to watch this week are BTC, Matic, EOS, XMR, and AAV. No? So let's read on this. This is gonna be a good information to have and for you to know. All right. Okay, let's move on. Okay, yan. Matic USDT. Polygon Matic has bounced off the 20-day EMA. By the way, ginawa rin natin yan sa ating chart kahapon. No? We're actually doing our long EMAs just to make sure we have some sanity check kung bullish pa ba or bearish. Gamitin nyo rin yan, no? 200 EMA. That's gonna be another way for you to determine if the coin is bullish or not. But in this back to this news, they're saying that Matic is more of price action tong review nila. No? So Matic USDT is more of price action. They're actually reviewing some symmetrical triangle pattern. Let's see. All right, EOS USDT. These are also price action reviews. XMR is the same. AAV. Very good. Maganda yung ano. Meron siyang range, oh. Ang range ng AAV, actually, this needs to break out on the $489 range if you're doing AAV, no? All right. Okay, let's move on. Okay. All just are price action reviews, no? So I'm not necessarily interested in price action, but looks like there is some news or noise about these. Obviously, alam niyo naman si AAV tsaka si Matic, diniscuss na natin yan as a potential altcoin or alternative currency for the month of May. No? So we'll see. I will let you guys know who are my coin picks for the month of June. All right? So antay lang kayo. Okay, of course, ang ating news, wala namang bago, no? Of course, we have our mainnet launch for, tapos na siya, no? Naka-staggered basis si Alonzo mainnet based on different colors, blue, different colors nila yun, no? So, obviously, nothing is really significant here with the exception of, let's see, launch POS mainnet is the trending one, Robston testnet. 25 upcoming events. Nothing that's. Let me look at the top 10 coins. Polkadot, Exmo listing, Cardano community meetup. Not much of the coin. Binance coin will have Bitcoin Miami meetup. Okay, Robston testnet. Non-fungible Tokyo. These are just meetings, no? Nothing significant in terms of infrastructure launches and testing, except for ERC BSC 908 in DOT, no? The deployment of that protocol in Polkadot. Guys, ang trabaho ni Polkadot, I'm sure narinig nyo na to, no? Ang trabaho ni Polkadot kasi siya yung nagko-connect sa in-between major blockchains. Yan ang trabaho niya. Okay? In between major blockchains. So gumagawa siya ng ERC, BSC, protocols, to make sure that there's connectivity within the different networks. Okay? All right. Okay. Not much of the great news today except that naka-price action din tayo kay BTC. No, as I've said sa EMA 200 natin, naglalaro diyan what's this ating candles, no, and it's actually hinahag niya si 200, no, hinahag niya si EMA 200, so kailangan niyang tumaas diyan, kailangan niyang iwanan yan for the bulls to win, no, and of course kailangan supported yan ng volume because merong volume, no, may volume na tinatawag pero hindi pa siya ganun ka very prominent, kumbaga, right? So, okay. Anyways, let me just try to do this. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys, let's go with your questions and answers today. Questions today. Let me just quickly look at my notes if I have other announcements. Hang on, guys. Okay. Okay, I just have a story before we go with our question and answer, no? I hope you're okay with the story. Mabilis lang tong story na to. This is gonna be something related on trading. Okay, and this is gonna be how I will try to navigate our discussions today. So I hope you're okay with the stories. No, if you're okay with the story, just type one. If you wanted to hear a story from Coach Miranda Minor. All right. Okay. So ang story natin today is about um, don't what you see outside is different on what you see inside. Okay. So parang stock yan, no? Or sa coins, no? Always don't rely on what you see on the charts alone. Okay? So merong isang lolo at lola, and then um yung lolo at lola, umorder yung lolo dun sa isang sikat na restaurant na fast food, no. Sabi nung lolo dun sa counter, "Can I order," hindi ko kaya yung boses nung matanda eh, no. Sabi niya, "Can I order one chicken, one spaghetti, one fries, and one drink?" Okay? So tig-isa lang sila. Okay? And then tapos they walk together doon sa, of course may physical distancing ngayon, no? So they walk to dining area, tapos syempre may cover, they remove their face covers, kumakain sila, no. Tapos merong isang concerned na uh, babae, mga age niya is around mid-30s, no? Mid-30s. And then na-concern siya, sabi niya, why is the lolo just buying, why is the lolo, okay just to buy one set of a meal when in fact it's the two of them, no? So ang ginawa ng lolo, tiningnan talaga niya from the afar, sabi yung lolo, naghati ng spaghetti, naghati ng chicken, naghati ng drink, no, naghati ng fries. So nagtaka siya, sabi niya, baka wala silang pera, no? And I just wanted to help, no? So pinuntahan niya nilapitan niya. Of course, medyo malayo siya. Sabi niya, "Lo, gusto niyo po bang kuhaan ko na lang po kayo ng another set of meal para po hindi na po kayo mag-share kay Lola. Baka po kasi kulang yung pera ninyo." Ganyan, ganyan. So hindi siya pinapansin ng lolo. Nakain lang sila, and she felt snubbed, no? She felt snubbed, and sabi niya, "Okay, so all right, I'll just go ahead, go back to the counter," sabi niya sa sarili niya. Tapos hindi siya mapakali. So, habang malapit na siya dun sa counter kasi mahaba yung pila, siguro mga tatlo, tapos merong physical distancing, nakatingin pa rin siya dun sa maglolo at lola. Sabi niya, "Hindi ko makain yung matandang babae." Tapos sabi niya dun sa sarili niya, "There's something really wrong with this. Why is the elderly lady not eating? Bakit yung lolo lang?" So this time, talagang nilapitan niya na yung lolo at lola. Sabi niya, "Lo, I'm really concerned. Baka po nagugutom si Lola. Tulungan ko na lang po kayo." Tumingin siya kay lolo, tiningnan siya ni Lola. Tiningnan niya si Lola, tumingin si Lola kay lolo. At nagkatinginan silang tatlo. So nagtaka siya ng loob, bakit po ba ayaw niyo pong kumain? Okay? At alam niyo ba ang sabi ng lola? Type 1 kung gusto niyo marinig anong sabi ng lola. Sige nga kung nakikinig kayo. Ano pong type 1 if you want to know anong sabi ng lola? Type 1. Ayan. Ang dami nag-type. Okay. Okay, ang sabi ng lola, ginagamit pa niya yung pustiso ko eh. Pinapatawa ko lang kayo. Hindi robot si Lola. Si Superman talaga. Matumawa kayo, pinapatawa ko lang kayo. Ayun, so guys, that's a lesson for us today. Do not judge anything that you see from the surface. Okay? Not because you see that a particular chart goes upwards. Okay? So for example, itong si pagka-bullish ni BTC. Kunwari, let's go to ADA. Okay? Ayan, napaka-bullish niya. 'Di ba? Paakit na siya dito. Pasok ka na ng pasok, and then bumaba siya ng almost. Bumaba siya ng gaano kababa. The price range went down to almost 10.57%. No? Don't judge the trend. Don't judge the trend based on the chart itself. You need to make sure that you do more questioning and investigation of the chart. And yes, that is a Tito joke. Last ko na yan, Coach Miranda Minor, ha? Okay, last na natin yun. Alright, so yun, don't judge the coin based on its fundamental charts. Okay? Alright, so kata nyo na yan, ha? Alright, let's go with your questions. Okay, let's go with your questions. Parang walang tanong, ha? Puro tawanan, ha? Okay, let's go with your questions. Otherwise, yung mga bago, I'd like to know if you have questions, please. Yung mga bago nating viewers, ang dami nating bago kanina. If you're new to the channel, I will prioritize your question. Please let me know. Alright? Yes, postizo is love. Pasintabi po sa mga kumakain kanina. Pasensya na po. Alright? Okay. Alright. So, si Raylin, naiwan yung postizo. Rama. Yes. Parang ngayon lang nag-comment si Raylin. Kanino ko pa sinabi yun? Alright, kakarating lang, Coach, hindi ko alam ang nangyari, sabi ni Norman. Tumawa na lang siya. Best coin for lock staking. Lock staking. Wag yung sobrang volatile. Wag sobrang volatile. Wag ka muna sa volatile. Maghanap ka ng stable coin. I'm sure you know what I'm trying to say. Hanap ka ng staking na pwede mong na stable, no? If you're just after the benefits of the interest. Obviously, you could stake USDT, no? But if you wanted to stake other currencies, wag lang yung super volatile, no? Otherwise, ang gawin mo, mag-chart ka ng BTC or ng Ethereum, tapos you will only put staking ng coins na yan kapag na-hit niya na yung bottom niya. Okay? So let's say in this case, the bottom of kasi taas na tumaas na to guys. Tingnan mo, galing siya sa ilalim no? So I would not recommend staking coins at this point. Baka sobrang lumiit lang yung yung currency mo. Otherwise, pag nabasag niya na yung 37,000 na sinabi ko kanina sa BTC, pasok ka na sa staking. Or, pinaka-safe dyan, magantay tayo ng 40,000 levels ng BTC or 41,000 levels. Okay? 13K na ba, Kat? Thank you, Hindi ko nakita. Thank you. Let me check nga. Na-excite naman si Coach. Kasi sabi ko kanina, sana ma-hit natin habang nagla-live today. Natin. Oh, wow, guys. Thank you. Congratulations. 13,000 na tayo during this live. Thank you, guys, Ang galing natin. Ang galing tayong lahat. Hindi lang si Coach. Ang galing kayo lahat. Po-promote niyo yung page niya. Alright, okay. Okay. Coach, ano po bang need mauna? Emma Alma crossover or yung MACD? Nilalagyan mo ba ng MACD si Emma Alma? Bakit mo nilalagay ng MACD? Nilalagay mo siya ng MACD pababa or pataas? Kasi okay na si CCI doon, ha? Tsaka si Emma Alma and CCI are okay. So, paki-clarify yung question, Angelo. Okay? Thank you, Sir Newbie. Hey, Anthony, thank you for joining. Anthony Kabugao, salamat sa pag-join mo. Kung bago ka sa aking channel, please go to our Miranda University playlist. We have a lot of free videos para sa'yo doon, okay? Vicente Letigio, Coach, advisable po bang mag-take ng upcoming course kung cellphone at aral lang po ang pinakaginagawa ko? I would recommend you find a computer kasi baka mahirapan kang mag-follow. Kasi naka-Zoom tayo at ang Zoom ko kasi premium, no? Ang ibig sabihin ng Zoom premium, pwede ko kayong hahati-hatiin ko kasi yung class into break rooms. I could do a Zoom within a Zoom. No? At ang ayoko mahirapan ka is when I break you guys out, baka mahirapan ka mag-navigate. Tsaka I'm going to present kasi a material and a video during Zoom. Baka maliit yung screen ninyo. Sayang naman. So I'd recommend you guys find a bigger, let's say an iPad, pwedeng iPad, bigger screen sana. Or kung kaya mong i-mirror or i-tether yung phone mo sa malaking TV, then pwede yon, right? Okay? Thank you for your interest, Vicente. Maraming salamat. Gabriel, thank you for driving the like. Maraming salamat. Medyo tahimik si Galamax today. Pagod yata. Pagod ba? Francis Atanasio, ETC coach, anong balita? ETC, ano ba nangyari kay ETC na? Let's go with ETC. So ETC, same as the, let's look at the bigger chart. No? Let's try bigger chart. Yan. So medyo nagko-consolidate na to, which is good naman, no? Kahit pa paano nag-consolidate na siya. Tagal nito nag-volatile. Grabe, oh. No? Pagkatapos niyang, affected din siya ng May 19 and May 24 na capitulation. After niya nag-consolidate, gawa natin to ng Fibonacci, no? Okay. Very actually it's hugging the EMA 200, tapos nagba-bounce lang siya sa 0.5 na Fibonacci, no? So medyo may pagka and the volume is not necessarily convincing. So it's actually forming a consolidation, no? Para masabi natin na kaya niya nang basagin yung resistance na to, no? Teka lang, let me do some here. So, tama rin ginawa natin. Yeah, so it's actually forming a consolidation, no? So Matic is within this range, no? So wag lang siyang babagsak ulit sa 0.5, which is $61. I think this is a very it's consolidating at this point. And normally when it's consolidating, ang rule niyan, if it's consolidating, and let's also try to enter the BB let's try to enter the BB30, no? Hang on a second. Let me do a 1 hour. Ayan, so similar to EMA 200, hinahag din niya si BB 50 eh. So kailangan niya mag-breakout, tumaas pa diyan, no? Kasi akit baba lang siya. So for this to be bullish, kailangan niya maging tulad nito, kailangan iwanan niya si BB 50 sa ilalim, no, para mag-bullish sa pataas, no? A very average trend for ETC, no, there should be a major catalyst for this to go higher. Of course, ang major catalyst niyan yung kapatid niya si Ethereum, ETH. So if ETH goes higher to around 3,000 levels, hihilahin niya rin pataas si ETC. Okay? I hope nakatulong sa iyo 'yon. All right. Euphonia Express, thank you. Tentacles Hex, hey, thank you din. Ang daming tanong. Teka lang, biglang nagbago. Teka lang. Nasaan na yung mga questions? Lang nawala, guys. Biglang nag-refresh yung screen ko eh. Pag hindi ko nabasa, ulitin ko na lang. Sorry ha. Ako po yung pang 13K coach, Gilbert. Alam mo yung pang 13K kung sino? Nababasa ko dito guys eh. Ito yung pinakahuling nag-subscribe for the past 8 minutes. Number 1, Gilbert Reyes, Anthony Cabugao, Engelan Trinidad, Logs TV, Mark Aldrin de la Cruz. And guys, meron tayong Indian audience ha. Sabihin ko lang sa inyo. We have an Indian audience. Nagko-comment na sila sa akin. Sabi nila, can you speak in English? Kaya pag si coach nagsunod-sunod na English, papasensyahan nyo ako ha. Tulad nito, thank you kay Ratalva Chikini Krishna. Ayun ang pangalan niya. Meron tayong another Indian subscriber. So thank you whoever you are. But yon, so yan, Gilbert, hindi ikaw yung pang 30K. 13K pala. Alright, road to 15K naman. Yes. Road to 15K. Salamat po, salamat. Alright. Normal po bang coach nagbago negative 100? What do you mean nagbago negative 100 Xena PH? Milka, thank you, moderator Milka. BTC to the 59K level, yep. Let's all hope for that. Hindi ko na umpisahan coach live, pero as a beginner, anong points ba pwedeng live practice? Wow, sana all. Live practice, pero continue pa rin ako sa panonood ng mga video mo. What do you mean practice, Neil? Are you practicing like live trading? Can you clarify that, please? Coach, magkano minimum para sa mag-trade sa Binance? Depende if you're doing futures or spot. Pag spot, $10. Kapag futures, $5 USDT Notion. Notion, $5. Okay, 5 USDT. Nasa spot lang po ako kaso tenga naman. Futures naman sana kaya kaso nalilito pa ako. Vicente Litigio, advisable po mag-take na upcoming basa ko na pala to. Ang layo ko na, teka lang. Baba tayo sa baba. Teka lang. Richard Gomez, nosebleed. Ba't ka nagno-nosebleed, Richard? Okay, welcome sa mga newbies yan. Welcome niyo yung mga newbies, guys. Welcome niyo. Kayo yung matatagal na. Welcome sa inyong lahat, ha. Alright, tapos Gilbert Reyes, hahaha. Richard Gomez, welcome newbies. Richard, hindi ka na newbie. Hindi ka na millennial. May linya na tayo. May linya na tayo sa ulo. Alright. Okay, actually po, coach, asan na yun? Actually po, coach, iniipon pa yung pambili ng computer. Pero if ever po ba na hindi umabot sa course, okay lang. Meron pa tayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Marami pa tayong schedules ng courses. Hindi lang naman sa June 7, no? Meron pa tayong other schedules. Baka next month we'll see, no? Ang gusto ko, ayoko ng sunod-sunod para at least ma-follow up ko yung mga lessons nyo. Alright? Siguro gawin natin every other week. But we'll see, no? We'll see. Alright, Coach, newbie po dito and bago sa crypto, ask ko lang po sana, anong masasabi nyo about shitcoins? Is it okay na po ba mag-consider din this time na mababa pa ulit yung, yung mga, I mean, shitcoins are okay, but just make sure you review the tokenomics and review the process of how they are distributing. Kasi normally, of course, kailangan kumita ng shitcoins, di ba? Pag ikaw ay developer or initial founder ka and you have a wallet, kailangan maraming mag-absorb maraming kumuha ng coins para tumaas yung value niya, no? So, for it to be sustainable, kunyari yung mga short-lived na coins like SafeMoon, di ba? All of a sudden, people stop talking about it, di ba? People stop talking about, mga hype, no? So, you guys need to make sure that pag in-enter nyo, nauunawaan nyo, hindi lang kayo there, you're just not there for the short haul. You guys understand the nitty-gritty of the token or the shitcoin, no? Kasi kung maganda ang kanyang, tulad niyan, sino mo si Dogecoin, di ba? It was a meme coin, it was a shitcoin in 2013. No one gives any SHIT on this coin before. Right? So, but if people starts to embrace it and there's value, it's being used. Tatandaan nyo, if it's being used, right? Let's say by gamers, yung NFTs, no? NFT and tokens, if it's being used by a major gaming developer, then that maganda yon. If they're using the tokens as an award for their gamers, and gamers can encash, diba? So look at the tokenomics of the the nitty-gritty and the white papers of the shitcoin. Okay? I hope nakatulong yun sa'yo. Okay. Face reveal sana Galamax. Type 1 kung gusto nyo mag-face reveal si Galamax sa Sunday, please. Face reveal kay Galamax sa Sunday. Type 1. Alright? Pag all English, mag 100k na agad. Bakit magiging 100k, Nilda? Bakit magiging 100k? Baka siguro we will go with the American market. Pwede naman ako mag-accent kung gusto nyo. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin. Coach, bakit ganun? Positive naman ako sa PNL pero pag nag-eco-close ko, parang loss pa din ako sa futures. Kaya ano ba kasi positive? Baka naman positive 0.5 ka lang. Sobrang volatile kasi ng coins. Tandaan mo yun, sobrang volatile ng coins, ha? So just make sure, no? Alright, and then let's go with, let's go down. That's trending. Paano malalaman ng pinaka-simple way futures? Meron akong futures video, ha? Just look at it, ha? Look at it. Oh, Alan, thank you for this. Gandang gabi po, coach. Newbie po. Pro, nakapaglagay na po ako ng coin bago pa manood ng video. Okay. Welcome sa ating channel, ha. Alan, and looking forward to always see you here as well, okay? Thank you for your love and support to what we do. Thank you. All right. Okay, and then let's go with other questions. Thank you again, Alan. I appreciate this. All right. Extranjera, Coach, sorry, hindi nakasabay ngayon review ko na lang po live. Okay lang. Raylin, okay ba yung savings na Binance? Yes, okay yan. Okay yan, Raylin. Okay yung savings. Okay. Oy, Galamax, magpakita ka daw ng muka. 15k sa Sunday mag-face reveal si Galamax. Oh. I-push nyo yan, ha. Guys, yung audience natin ng Saturday kailangan all-time high na. Ganito yung 400 na. 400 na, okay? We're excited kami bukas, Coach, sa video ng scalping by. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Antayin nyo lang yan. Antayin nyo yung video na yan, okay? Medyo ang hirap mag-edit niyan, guys, ha? Kasi ang liit ng screen. Ang liit ng screen. Tapos nagugutom na ako. Sabi ko, aga-aga ako nag-trade pang alas 8, nagugutom na ako nun. Abot ng alas 9. Alright, guys, lahat ng tanong nyo tulad ng Emma Alma Fib, lahat yan, kanya-kanyang video ginawa na ni Coach. Explore nyo na lang videos niya. Wow. Tama naman po. Tama po yun, very good. Sira yung camera, Coach. Papadalang kita ng camera kung nasan ka man. Coach, when po yung mentorship nyo, yung may trading buddies? Starting ng June 7, Pepper, antay kayo ng schedule and ways to register. Okay, ways to register. Antayin nyo lang yan. Magandang course yan. Excited ako actually myself. I'm even excited myself. Alright? Boy Abanger, Coach, meron akong $3 sa BNB and $7 sa BTC. Pwede ba tong matrade? What do you mean? Yes, pwede matrade yan. I-trade mo sa futures yung BTC mo. Pwede yan. Gawin mong ano ba yan? BTC USDT ba yan? So, pwede yan. Skyflex, Coach, pwede bang ma-EMA 5 at 9 kasama si MACD magkasama pag lower? Pwede EMA 5 at 9 kasama si MACD magkasama kapag lower EF 15 and mataas pa yung time frame ng 15, ha? Ang EMA 5, 1 minute na lang yan. Mataas yung time frame na 15 mo. Tingnan mo tong templates ko. Tingnan mo to. Pakita ko sa yung templates ko. Tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo yung 1 minute interval scalping ko. 5 minutes EMA, 14 RSI. Pakita mo yan. Diba? 1 minute interval, 5 EMA, 14 RSI. Yan ang pang scalping ko din yan. Okay? Tapos pang scalping ko din iba-iba yan. Iba-ibang RSI yung ginagamit ko. No? So, parang at least makita mo yan. Okay? Alright. Zildian, why do you want me to speak in Korean? Alright? Yan. Yan. So, yung nag-comment ng $10 minimum, $10 sa spot, pero sa futures pwede yung ganyang kaliit. Okay, alright. Gilbert, June 7 is our wedding anniversary. Coach Miranda or wifey? Oh, patay tayo dyan. Mababato kayo ng tabo. Nako. Nung unang nag-live ako ng 10 o'clock, may nabato ng tabo, di ba? Sino ba kayo? Hindi ko na maalala kung sino yun eh. Right? Hindi ko na maalala kung sino. So, we'll see. Teka lang guys, let me just close this screen para makita ko yung viewers natin. Okay. Alright. Coach, ano po bang balita sa liquidity swap pool na ginawa nyo dati? Yung kung magkano na? You want to know? Do you want to know kung magkano na siya? Magkano na ba yung liquidity swap pool ko? Sine-check eh. Iniyaan ko na siya lumaki dun eh. Tignan natin. Earn. Later, I'll share. I'll share ko sa inyo later. Hindi mag-open yung phone ko eh. Kailangan mag-login. I-share ko sa inyo. Pero, maliit lang naman nilagay ko doon, guys. It's only 15,000 pesos. So, let's see kung kumita na siya. We'll see. That's a good question. Alright. Coach, ang galing mo po. Magpapasana all na lang po talaga tayo. Oy, salamat naman po sa praise ninyo. Tama si Dot, isama daw si Wifey sa panonood, magiging anniversary course sa June 7. Okay guys, advance happy Father's Day sa ating lahat At sa mga single moms or single parents, at advance happy Father's Day sa inyo. Second Sunday of June yan. Second Sunday. Kaya ang gusto ko sana mangyari yung, hindi ko alam kung yung tatay na to si Galamax eh. Pero si Hollow Block kasi, tatay na yon. Kaya sana gawin kong mini Father's Day Saturday. Pero meron pa kasi tayong next Saturday. Abangan nyo yung mga guests natin, halos mga tatay lahat, no? So, alright. BTC Coach, konting kembot na lang, 0.618 na. O, tingnan natin. Coach, discuss ko about logistics. Kuha tayo ng discount. Sige. Ping mo na lang ako, Richard. Sige. Thank you sa offer na yan. Thank you. Ang bala ko kasi i-partner ko sa isang existing na merchant sa Shopee para hindi ko na poproblemahin yung logistics. Sa Shopee na lang lahat o-orderin. Alright. Coach, pabili po ng Miranda merch. Antayin nyo, lalabas yan. I-update ko sa inyo yung kung magkano. Tapos, order na lang sa... Ang initial kong iniisip sa Shopee, pero I'll look at what Richard is saying, okay? Thank you, Mimikyu. Salamat. Happy Father's Day daw. Baka pwedeng maka-request ng live trading minsan. What do you mean live? Like ngayon? Magte-trade na tayo? I need to plan my trades. Baka abutin tayo ng 3 oras. I always plan. Alam niyo yun, guys. I always plan my trades, di ba? Okay. Coach, patingin po sa ADA. Anong titingnan mo sa ADA? Mag-end na tayo. 11:08 na. So, question and answer na lang muna tayo, Aris, ha? Alright, sakto sa last name ko yung merch mo. Uy! Meron akong pangalan, Michael Miranda. Kailangan ikaw unang-unang Unang pangalan. Kailangan lahat ng mga Miranda alam niyo na. Aris, si Ada, na lang natin tomorrow, ha? Kasi magko-close na tayo. Coach, may video ka rin po ba ng recording? Yes, meron akong liquidity swap. Meron ako. 2 ginawa ko doon. I did a swap and I did a liquidity pool. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung ano ang liquidity swap at liquidity pool, when you swap kasi, there is a corresponding swapping fee. Yung swapping fee na nako-collect ni Binance, pinupunta yan sa liquidity pool. Yung liquidity pool, when you put your money there, pag tinangga mo yung pera mo dyan, kasi ginagamit yung pera na yan as a way to lend money, to pautang ng pera si Binance. Tapos yung interest na ini-earn ng mga lending niya is binabalik din sa liquidity pool na yan. No? So it's a pool of money. Okay? Of course, medyo risky yan kasi kapag nag-fluctuate yung kinuha mong currency sa liquidity pool, apektado ang pera mo. Pwedeng lumiit pa yung pera mo even kahit may interest. Okay? Alright. Mimic you. Coach, okay, yung po bang video na lalabas for mobile is for iOS and I'm using Apple kasi. It's gonna be for Apple. And sabi kong I'm not charting sa I'm charting sa Investa ha. So It doesn't matter kung iOS or Android kasi I'm charting sa isang sa isang system na hindi Binance, okay? Mr. G t-shirt din. Sige nga, bigyan niyo ako ng design ng t-shirt kung anong gusto niyo. Wala lang time si coach mag-design ngayon eh. Paano kayo mag-prepare ng trade sa trade? Ako, tagal. Matagal pero minsan mabilis. Alright. Coach, paano po utilize yung golden ratio sa fib sa pag-entry? Need po ba laging breakout ng 3 lines? Panoorin mo yung fib ko. Meron akong malaking yung video ko, di ba kanina? Yan. Yung nakita natin. So, panoorin mo tong fib. Yan. Yung video, panoorin mo yung Fibonacci 2.0. Makita mo lahat ng sagot dyan, right? Riri. Thank you. Uy, thank you, Riri, ha. Nakita ko yung mga comments mo. Nagpo-profit ka na. Congratulations, ha. What time po kayong start nagtitrade? Pagising mga 8. Mga 8 or 9. Pagising habang nagkakape, habang nanonood ng TV, habang kausap yung mga moderators, nagtitrade na ako niyan. Hindi ako sumasagot ng FB, nakapansin ninyo. habang nagre-record ako ng trades sa phone, ang dami nagme-message niya. Hindi ko napapansin, pasensya na kayo. Alright, Vicente, ang dami ito ni Vicente. Oh. Coach, nasubukan mo na ba mag-scalp mahigit 30% yung profit sa futures? Usually, hindi na scalping yun, day trading na yun. Kasi you need to wait for more than, for us, unless makuha mo yung pinakamataas na fluctuation, and delikado rin yung pag sobrang volatile, di ba? So, ang scalping kasi, from the word scalping, you're trying to scalp, no? The trades, no? And I'll tell you, 4% is high on a scalper. Okay? Pag kumuha ka ng mga 30%, day trade na yan. Day trade, aantay mo yan mga, for a coin to register a 30% increase, bihira mangyari yan. Nakita mo yung 2 beses lang nangyari yan, May 19 and May 26. Sobrang pumalo pababa yung coin. No? Hindi mo kayang kuhain ng 30% ang scalping. Kasi ang scalping, it's a trade less than in minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, wala kang makukuha 30% yan. So I hope it answers your question. Okay? Alright guys, last 2 questions, 11, 12 na. Ganda yung kwentuhan natin dito. Alright, Grab Rider here, kami na bahala maghatid ng t-shirt. Uy, wow! Uy, salamat ang galing naman ng offer ni Kahon Y. Salamat. Sige. Pag-iisipan natin. Maraming salamat. Ang bait naman. Thank you. Okay, last 2 questions. Oy, I love you guys too. Thank you. CP kasi gamit ko, coach. Tapos ginagawa kong bias. Anong bias mag-TTP is pag vice versa na po yung indicator. Okay. Ano pong screen recorder nyo? Yung screen recorder ko is screen recorder yung pangalan niya. Screen recorder yung pangalan niya. Pakita ko. Yan. Go Record yung pangalan pala niya. Go Record. Yan. Okay. Gaano po kayo katagal bago naging profitable? Since dumating sa buhay ko si Feast, tsaka si Halmachi. Matagal na si Halmachi. Tagal na yun. Tinuturo ko pa yun last year. 2 years ago. Okay. And of course, matagal na tayo nagtitrade, no? So, yan. Ang tanongin nyo, magkano pinakamalaki kong win? Pinakamalaking wins, ang tanong nyo sa akin. Ayan ang mga tatanungin nyo dapat. Alright, sige. Sunod-sunod na araw ba yung elite? Gusto ko umaten kaso 8 to 8 shift. Hindi hanap tayo ng ibang schedule next time. Sige na guys. Sige, last 1 question. Coach, insights nyo po sa paggamit ng indicator fractals. Ibang mahabang discussion yan, Saladman. Magandang discussion yan. Sige. Next time pag-usapan natin yan, ha? Yung face reveal, matagal pa yun. Huwag nyo munang isipin. Si Galamax daw muna. Oy, Galamax, ha? Yung assignment mo, sir. Alright. Okay, hey guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa inyong pagmamahal at sa suporta. At this point, we already have 13,000 subscribers. We only started ng April 15. April 15 tayo nag-start. So, gano'n nakatagal? May 15, May 30. One month and 2 weeks. 1 month and 2 weeks na tayo officially. 1 month and 2 weeks. So, In 1 month and 2 weeks, we already have 13,000 subscribers. Grabe kayo magmahal kay Coach Miranda Minor. Sobrang sarap-sarap nyo. Tapos, meron pang pagmamahal sa Discord, mga walang tulugang group. Alright. Hey guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At I will talk to you guys very soon. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Antayin nyo yung video ko tomorrow, okay? Or probably the next day. Okay? Alright. Thanks you guys. And I'll talk to you very soon. I love you. Bye.